Equate Mucus Relief DM Extended Release Tablets, Expectorant and Cough Suppressant 20 count. Product details.
Compare to the active ingredients in Mucinex DM.
Equate Mucus DM Guaifenesin and Dextromethorphan Hydrobromide Extended Release Tablets, 600 mg, 30 mg, 20 count is a cough suppressant and expectorant that helps loosen phlegm, mucus, and make coughs more productive. Reduces chest congestion caused by the common cold or inhaled irritants. Controls wet and dry coughs due to minor throat or bronchial irritation.
Thins and loosens mucus for 12 hours and temporarily relieves the intensity of coughing. This product does not contain gluten. For adults and children 12 years and older. Breathe easier with 12-hour cold medicine.
Reduces the impulse to cough to help you get to sleep. Active ingredients. This product contains Dextromethorphan HBr 30 mg. A cough suppressant, and Guaifenesin 600 mg, an expectorant, which compare to the active ingredients in Mucinex DM. 12-hour relief. Guaifenesin and Dextromethorphan Hydrobromide Extended Release Tablets, 600 mg, 30 mg provide up to 12 hours of chest congestion relief. Gluten-free expectorant and cough suppressant.
Expectorant helps loosen phlegm, mucus, and thin bronchial secretions to rid the bronchial passageways of bothersome mucus and make coughs more productive. Cough suppressant temporarily relieves cough due to minor throat and bronchial irritation that may occur with the common cold or inhaled irritants.
Also controls the impulse to cough to help you get to sleep.
Provides cough relief for 12 hours.
Equate Mucus DM is a cough suppressant, expectorant that helps to thin and loosen mucus and control the wet and dry directions.
Instructions. Directions: do not crush, chew, or break tablet. Take with a full glass of water. This product can be administered without regard for timing of meals. Adults and children 12 years and older, 1 or 2 tablets every 12 hours. Not more than 4 tablets in 24 hours. Children under 12 years of age do not use. Ingredients. Active ingredients in each extended release tablet: Dextromethorphan HBr 30 mg, Guaifenesin 600 mg. Inactive ingredients: carbomer homopolymer type B, copovidone, D and C yellow number 10 aluminum lake, hypromellose, magnesium hydroxide, magnesium stearate, microcrystalline cellulose, silicon dioxide.